Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to unbox the Saddlemen seat. We're going to take an in-depth look at it, see what all the hype is about. I'm ready to totally sit on this thing so hard. There it is, guys. So I want to apologize first off about this disgusting mess. This seat is going to set you back about $455, which is a lot of money. But you got to remember, you're paying for the quality. This seat is going to be the perfect combination of comfort and style, but with a little more style. Comes very nicely packaged. Stickers. You guys know I love stickers. There we go. Now that is a nice looking seat. All right, let's go take the old one off first. Damn it. What you gotta do here is push this and pull up. It's magic. You can actually compare the two a little bit. Now, the one main difference is that this is gonna be made out of plastic. So you can, but with this one, the pan is actually metal. And there's a gel core in there. Just breaking her in, inch by inch. There's gel core in there, which is gonna be extra comfortable. Put it on like this. Take the screw out. So, the seat is on the bike and it looks great. I'm tired right now, so I'm gonna go sleepy bye, but when I wake up, we're taking a ride and I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions and my review of the Saddlemen. Alright, so we're back. I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions of the Saddlemen Step Up Seat here. I can tell you first off already that it's holding me in place very well. It feels a little stiff, but of course you gotta break it in just like everything else. So the back support is a lot better. It's very comfortable. I mean, even though it's like brand new and a little stiff, it's still very comfortable. It seems like it scoots you back a little bit more than the stock seat. And there's more support on my lower back. So when I twist the throttle, I actually am like stuck in place here, which is a nice feeling, nice safe feeling.
I'm digging it. So what this seat will allow me to do now is, well, I gotta get the passenger pegs, but I'll be able to ride 2 up now if I feel like riding with a passenger. Also with the sissy bar and the rear passenger seat, I'll be able to put a bag on the sissy bar, like a kind of duffel bag. I was looking at these Kuryakin, I think they're called a deadbeat or something, drifter bags or something like that. You just slide it over the sissy bar, and it actually can be used as kind of like a rider's backrest too. I don't know, I'm just tired of riding around with a backpack on. This whole quarantine thing, I really feel for you guys that are out of work right now. You know, the service industry, bartenders and stuff. That sucks. I mean, I feel like everybody is quarantined except me. I mean, I've been going to work every day, and it just doesn't feel like anything's really going on my side of things. But everywhere I look, everybody's quarantined. The traffic's not as busy. Restaurants are shut down. Harley actually stopped production. I'm not sure at which factory, but they had an outbreak at a factory, so they stopped production for a while. So anyways, back to the Saddlemen Step Up Seat. They make this seat for all the families of the Harley Davidson bikes, Softail, touring, and I'm gonna tell you that it's you know, after working at Harley Davidson, selling Harley Davidson stuff, that this is the best seat that you can get as far as style and comfort and functionality. I mean, I know I gotta break it in. Oh, come on, dude. No, it's too late now for that. But yeah, it's gonna be the best option for you. I mean, it's expensive, but like I said, you're paying for the quality, and this is good quality stuff. Like, no joke. I feel like I've been breaking into the bike harder than you're really supposed to. I mean, I can't really see my RPMs anymore since the power vision's in the way, but I've been trying to stay under 4,000 RPMs. I kind of got a feel for it. I mean, but last time I checked, I was at like 1,500 something, so that's almost like 250 miles already. I'm like halfway through the break-in point. I'm gonna be putting out content at least once a week. Okay. This kind of content, moto vlogging, reviews, etc. So if you're into this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button, and thank you. You can also follow me on Instagram, Chasing Maverick. I'm about to pull up here at work. I'm pretty sure that everybody rode their bikes in, so we can take a quick peek at my bike with the step-up seat on it, and we can look at a couple other bikes that some of the guys that work here ride. Ooh, check out that. They park so close to each other. I don't like that. Don't park close to me. I like my space. Give me some space. Alright guys, so there it is. My first ride with the Saddlemen Step Up. Looks great and feels pretty damn good too. We got Hunter's Yamaha here, Daniel's Limited, New Guy Scott's Heritage Softail, Road Glide, and the Tahitian Teal Road Glide. And then my baby Sportster over here, my 1250. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.